This is a JobCost.com video tutorial on how to enter a new customer or edit an existing customer for Accounts Receivable. In the main cabinet, go to Accounts Receivable, click on Customer List. To create a new customer, select the blue Add button. To edit an existing customer, click on the customer name ID from the customer list. Notice the multicolored buttons along the top. Blue Add is to create a new customer. Purple Copy is to copy an existing customer's information to a new customer. Green Save is to save the information just entered. Green Save and Add is to save the new information just entered, close the current customer tab, and open a new customer tab. Yellow Undo lets you undo any recently entered information or changes prior to saving. Orange Delete deletes the customer record you are on. Teal Print is to print a customer statement. Blue Customize Form allows administrator to relabel any field on the screen. Blue Customize Tabs allows administrator to add, change, or reorder page tabs across the top of the screen. Red Save and Close saves all information entered and closes the current customer tab. Red Close closes the current customer tab. When entering or editing the customer's information, be sure to fill out anything with the red asterisk or the customer will not save. All other fields can be utilized on a per customer basis. Give the customer a unique customer ID. This is alphanumeric up to 10 characters. Enter the customer's name, address, and contact information. Invoice email and statement email addresses can be used for sending invoices or statements electronically. If entering multiple email addresses in any of these email fields, be sure to separate them with a semicolon. Bill terms can be chosen from the dropdown. Days until due or day of the month due will auto-calculate the due date on new accounts receivable invoices entered based on the invoice date. If there's a discount offered, enter the discount percent. This will auto-calculate on each new accounts receivable invoice based on the invoice amount when entered for this customer. Discount days or discount day of the month will auto-calculate the discount date on new accounts receivable invoices entered based on the invoice date. PO required box can be checked if a PO is required for this customer. Invoice report and statement report, select a default print form option from the dropdowns for this customer. Sales account is the general ledger account number that will default upon entry of accounts receivable invoices. Sales tax, select the customer state in which sales tax is charged. If the customer gives a sales tax exemption certificate, the sales tax exempt ID and sales tax exempt expires fields can be utilized. There is a note section and additional user fields that include text, logical, date, and number fields. The system administrator can customize these user field labels to be used to store additional information about the customer. Click Save when done entering new customers' information. Click Save and Add if entering multiple new customers. Click Save and Close if completely done entering or editing customer information, and it will close the current customer tab.